We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new around here. I'm Fabiola and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos. I also love blogging and I love everything pink and girly. So if you love any of that, consider subscribing. Also click that notification bell and follow me on social media. So today I am back with my jewelry collection video. And I think the last time I did one of these videos was a little bit over a year ago. And ever since then, I have completely updated my storage as well as some pieces. So today I will be sharing with you my favorite jewelry pieces. And I also have an unboxing from Zeno Jewels. So we're going to start off first with the unboxing. So I have two pieces from Zeno Jewels, and they reached out to me about a month ago and asked if I wanted to collaborate. I took a look at their website and I fell in love with their pieces. So Zeno Jewels has gorgeous engagement rings. They also have bracelets, earrings, and necklaces. What's great about them is that they are really, really good quality. They are beautiful, but they are very affordable. So I am very excited. They also gave me a coupon code, so I will leave it down below. It's FAB20 for 20% off. So I did choose an engagement ring and I also chose a bracelet. So let's start off first with the bracelet. So it comes packaged really, really pretty in this like gray box, and it's like really nice. It comes even with like a ribbon. It says Zeno Jewels. So if you're looking for like a gift, definitely check into this because it comes like pretty much everything just packaged. So in here I have this gorgeous bracelet. Let me do a close-up. So here is the bracelet, and it's in this beautiful braided design. It's extremely sparkly, very beautiful. It is made out of silver, and here is the clasp in the back. It's absolutely beautiful. What's best about this bracelet is that I have really small wrists, and it's so hard for me to like find something that fits me, and this just fits like perfectly. So this is what it looks like. See how like beautiful and sparkly this is. This would make like an amazing gift. So I also chose an engagement ring, and they had so many styles. It was so hard to choose one. Just look at this beautiful ring. It's small and it's dainty, but it has this big stone in the center. It also has like little stones on the side. It is super sparkly, and it's definitely a gorgeous piece. So they did have this in many sizes, and I'm just crossing my fingers that this fits me. I do have really skinny fingers, and it's always so hard to find like the right ring, especially because my knuckles are always like big, but my actual finger is skinny. So it's like, it's so hard. So I got this in a size 5.75, I believe. Yes, it fits, and it's beautiful. Here it is. This is such a pretty piece. It's stunning. You guys, I'm definitely gonna swap this for my actual engagement ring. Sorry, hubby. So here it is. Let me give you a close-up. It's like definitely the perfect size, and it looks so pretty. So pretty. I almost just want to go like this and just take pictures everywhere showing them off. Definitely really pretty. Check it out. Like I said, I do have the coupon code FAB20, so check it out. I'll leave you the website down there below, but I am very happy and very impressed by these. So now for my jewelry collection video, I'll try to leave you the links to most of the pieces in my vlog as well as the description bar below. So check it out if you're interested in anything. If you don't see the link, just send me a message. I'll try my best to find you the link for it, but let's go ahead and get started. So here is where I keep my favorite pieces of jewelry, and I have this drawer right here where I have these beautiful organizers. I actually got all of these organizers from Amazon. I'll leave you the exact link, but I absolutely love the organizers. They're just perfect and they display all my jewelry. So we're gonna start off first on this side here, and this side here I have some of my favorite earrings. I have these really pretty Gucci earrings. I also have these like flower ones. I have these YSL earrings. These I really love. I actually wore these for a photo shoot the other day and they look stunning. These little hoops right here are also my favorite. These are from Jenna Cypress, and these are like hammered hoop earrings. They are gorgeous. She has like beautiful jewelry. I'll leave you her Etsy store. Down on this side I have a couple pieces from Bauble Bar. This one here is from Bauble Bar. I wear them a lot. Over here on this side I have these gorgeous like chandelier earrings. These are so special to me. My brother gave these to me about, oh my goodness, I think like 8 years ago, and I really love them. On this side here I have another pair of earrings that I've had for over 10 years, and you wouldn't even believe it, they've been here for 10 years. I wear them a lot. I get so many compliments on them. So on this side here I have these beautiful earrings, and on this side here I have these like pretty like statement earrings in this gorgeous kind of like cobalt blue. Over here I have all my pearls. I love pearls. If you guys watch my videos, you probably see me with pearls all the time. I love them in all colors, shapes, and sizes, so I just can't get enough of them. So I have like different sizes, colors, etc. These here are my favorite. These are from Tory Burch, and they have the little like Tory logo in them. So on this side here I have a few of my rings. I have this pink one, and then I also have this like little tiny one which is so dainty. It's so pretty. I also have like a pearl ring, this other one, and this one here I think I got this from like the Swarovski store. This one here I really don't remember where I got it from, but it's pretty. And this one here I wear all the time. It's like an infinity ring and it has my name written in the middle. So the camera finally focused. Here you can see in the infinity ring how it has my name written in the middle. So on this side here I have this pretty flower ring that my mom gave to me, and I just love it over there. So here I have some like huge statement earrings. I always like to wear statement jewelry. I think it looks really pretty. So I have these here. I think these are from Bauble Bar, and this one here I got from Target. Really love these earrings, by the way. So here I just have kind of like random earrings, random studs. I have these here from Betsy Johnson. I also have this gorgeous little bracelet. It has like moons and suns, seashells and hearts, so it's pretty. I just keep it there. I also have like some random studs. I have this for my cartilage, more pearls. This one here I bought. I only wore it one time and then I lost the earring. I know it's somewhere in the house, but can't find it. This one is from Nordstrom, and I love these little hoop earrings. They're so dainty. Love them. Over on this side, I have some more earrings. I got these at TJ Maxx the other day, and they remind me so much of like the Louis Vuitton flower logo, but they're not Louis Vuitton, so I just bought them because they're so pretty. I got these also. They're just like a little stone. It looks so pretty. These are from Swarovski. They are so shiny. Like every time I wear them, they just literally shine. So beautiful. And of course they're pink. And then I have some more earrings over here. I have a lot of like gold tone and silver tone jewelry. So that's where I keep like different kinds of earrings. And then on this side here I have some of my bracelets. These are from ASOS, and then I have these pearl bracelet. This one here is from Alex and Ani that my little niece gave for me, and I really love it. It's so sparkly and cute. I have some more bracelets over here. I have this like little Pandora thing that I got from Pandora last time. It's just like a ring holder. I also have this keychain, and here I have my beautiful pearls. These pearls I got when I was engaged, and I really love them. Brings me so much memories. Like I said, I've always loved pearls. On this side here, I just have these like random pearl straps for the purse. This is what it looks like, just so you can get an idea, but I just put them on my purse. I think they look beautiful. Over on this side, I have some watch straps for my iWatch. I also have this bangle watch, my iWatch. I have this Coach bangle bracelet that my sister gave me for my birthday, and it's so beautiful, so I keep it here. I also have some compact mirrors, some hair clips on this side. And on this side over here, I have some of my favorite Pandora bracelets. I also have this one, which is like one of the newer styles. I think it's called Pandora Me, and it has these like little tiny charms that you can put on your bracelet. So I keep it there. I also have this adorable little Coco earpod case. And I have these pearl hoop earrings. Aren't they so pretty? They're just so cute. I love hoop earrings, especially if they have pearls. So those are all the things I have. I also have this area right here where I hang all my favorite necklaces. So on this side here, I have a couple pearl necklaces. I have this like pearl bracelet, another pearl necklace, but this one here is so pretty because it has like black. On this side here, I just have these different pieces, and I have this necklace that I wear all the time. I don't even take it off, but I took it off this time. It says Loved. It's from Pandora. I also have this like long necklace. It's in this like gold color, and it's kind of like a 3-in-1. It's like a layered necklace, super pretty. Over here on this side, I have this choker from Swarovski, and it is so pretty because you can either wear it as a choker or you can fold it and wear it as a bracelet. I also have this beautiful pink little necklace. This one here is from Jenna Cypress, and these are like birthstone necklaces, but she knows I love pink, so she was so sweet and she sent me this pink one. It's beautiful. I wear it all the time. I get so many compliments. It's like so cute and dainty. I also have this one here in topaz because I was born in November, so topaz is my birth month, so I have topaz and pink. I also have this pretty little pink one, which is so pretty and dainty. I love these kind of like dainty necklaces. I think they look so pretty. I also have this one. So those were all my favorite jewelry pieces that I keep here in my IKEA closet. So that was it for my jewelry collection video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what is your favorite piece, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye!
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna